Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up a meatloaf on the Char-griller 980 gravity. Oh hell yeah. We're using up some Royal Oak lump, basting it with some Kosmos OPX1. Check this out. And then we're throwing in some cherry chunks in the bin, and we're gonna cook this for a couple hours at about 300 degrees, 325, and we're getting it up to about 145 degrees. So this meatloaf, what we're doing is about 2 pounds of ground beef, 85/15. Tossing that in with another 2 pounds of your favorite sausage. I'm using a local, and it's a sweet sauce. From that point, we're gonna dice up half a red pepper, a half a vidalia onion, dice that all up nice, toss that in, and then we're gonna take a couple garlic cloves, 4 garlic cloves, crush them in one of those deals. Then we're gonna use about a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. Toss that in there. Some SPG of your choice, just about a tablespoon. Then we're gonna cook up about 6 slices of bacon, thick cut, dice that all up, cook that up prior. Tablespoon of this Kosmos honey killer bee. Oh hell yeah, that's gonna make some magic happen. You mix all that up, and you're gonna make a big giant football basically. And you're gonna put that on a wire rack that you sprayed with some canola oil. And we're trying to get some smoke on this guy. And the end results of smoking a meatloaf, oh, so damn good. And you're gonna notice it's way less greasy as when you do one in the oven. In those meatloaf pans, those are always so heavy on the grease, and that always in the end hurts my stomach. Yeah, so this guy is rocking. And oh yeah, we hit the end of this meatloaf with some Kosmos OPX1. Let that set up, we brushed that on, and damn good. The kids, not all of them, but 2 of them loved it. And man, go make yourself some of this. Very easy to do. Took about 2 hours on the Char-griller at 300, 325, floating around there. And damn good stuff.
I said, give me a hell yeah!
There she is. Oh, right out in the middle. Let's give this meatloaf a taste test. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yeah. Man. That is rocking, folks. Holy hell. Meatloaf on a Char-griller, 980 gravity. Oh, hell yeah. Do this. It's awesome. That Kosmos OPX1. Oh, killing it on top. Goddamn good meatloaf. Oh, hell yeah. Cheers, folks. Gotta get a nice cold one. Oh, you know it.
Give me a hell yeah!